Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have 4 cards for you today, and they're made using this paper pack. It's a 12 by 12 pack by Echo Park called Here Comes Santa Claus. You can also purchase the chipboard stickers and a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers, which I will be using on these cards. So here's the paper I'm using, and I just cut down a 12 by 12 piece of paper into 4 sheets, and I'm using this tool to create a decorative border. This is the American Crafts Knockouts. I just call them border punches, and I got them pretty cheap at Tuesday Morning, I think about half price. So this little tool here, you have the little tabs that you put in there. They act as guides for the paper, so that way you know you're getting the punch aligned correctly and not having any weird shapes as you cut perhaps twice in the same area. So you just align the previous cut with those guides there at the top, if you can see, and you can also align it at the bottom, and I'll show you that in a moment. Because you can see at the top there I didn't get a complete cut. The paper is still attached at the very top. So I'm just going to go along here and continue doing this, and you'll see in just a moment how I use the bottom guide. So I wanted to cut that strip off, so I'm just aligning it there at the bottom, and I don't think I quite get it, so I put it in one more time, and then it works out perfectly. So this is a really neat little tool that I really enjoy using. There's lots of different edges that you can create on your cards. You can go all the way around or just on the bottom or the side, whatever you choose. And I am using a Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock there for the card base. And this solid strip here came from the Echo Park solids pack for the same collection. Now I'm going to use this Wink of Stella. It's a glittery brush pen just to add some sparkle to that gold strip there. And you can see this is an extremely simple card, easy to make, lots of fun. I enjoy doing the simple cards because then you can go and embellish them to the 9th degree or just leave them simple. It's up to you. But I find that my imagination and creativity can really just run free with simple cards like this. And that tag you see there on the front did come from those chipboard stickers that are available from the same collection. And you can get that at scrapbook.com, probably at amazon.com. I haven't checked it, but I'll leave links down below for you. So here's an image of 4 of the cards that I made, and you can see they're basically pretty similar. I used the stickers, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, to decorate the inside. And then on this one, I just drew that gold line with this Unibal gold, I think it's a Signo pen. But anyway, again, I used all of the chipboard stickers on the front and then the stickers on the inside, as well as the solids paper pack. So thanks for watching today. I hope you had fun and it encouraged you to go and make some cards yourself. Thank you.